Welcome back to BorntoForge. In the previous video we showed you how to make a Roman Pilum, and we also showed you how to make a Viking style Javelin or Celtic Javelin. So in this episode what we're going to do is we're going to actually put them up against each other, launch them down range and see which one's most effective at doing some actual damage. So we'll see you outside. No, it's not gone all the way through. So we've got a hole through several layers of linen. Oh no, she's all the way through.
Oh wow.
And there's a hole in my target behind. That would have spoiled someone's day. Okay, so I think we've officially spoiled Norman's day. Gone straight through his throat, straight out the back, and into our target behind. I don't think Norman's going to get up from that one.
Yeah, the garrison offered him no protection whatsoever.
Not from that. Right, let's go again. So that's straight through the male, straight through the Gamby, through his shoulder, and back out through the gambeson on the other side. So he's having a bad day. Javelin. A slight accident. So our tang javelin obviously hit the target, bent the tang, and then just ripped itself out through the side of the ash shaft. Would have happened in the olden days, it's happened today. So well, we had to do a few running repairs. Obviously we snapped it in the other end, so we spun it around, we drilled a hole in the back end. We've also glued it in and bound it this time as well, so hopefully that'll hold together a bit better. So let's see if this works a bit better, and we'll see if we can kill Norman this time. That's it for Norman in the leg.
That's really cool. Yeah, no, the
nails held up together.
Yeah, held up very well. Because it definitely hit him second pass.
just gone through the shield there, but the shield has done its job, and on this occasion it saved Norman's life. That's well and truly in the shield, and that's across the grain as well. So if that had come in 90 degrees in the other direction, I think that would have had a bit more penetration. Let's try again. I think Norman might have to walk this one off. Okay, well, we've put the Roman Pilum up against the Celtic Javelin to see how they got on, and it's fair to say that the Pilum is much better at punching through mail than the Javelin was. For the most part, Javelin, it broke a couple of links here and there, but for the most part it just bounced straight off, whereas the Pilum punched straight through and definitely ended Norman's day. Both of the shields worked pretty well at stopping the different javelins coming through. And where we went through the round shield and actually hit the steel back strap on there, it's actually bent the tip straight over. But other than that, they're both perfectly serviceable. I could warm that back up in the fire, straighten it out, and it'd be good to go again. The best thing we did to this one was to actually bind it behind the head, and that stopped the wood splitting like it did on the first attempt. So that's a definite improvement. And the steel collar on the Roman one works an absolute treat. That's not split at all. It's held up a lot better than I anticipated, even with the actual body here bending in the side of the woodwork. So yeah, both very effective weapons. I certainly wouldn't want someone chucking one of those towards me. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, and would like to see some more of this sort of stuff, please click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on BorntoForge.